It's the night before Christmas. Mom's supposed to be wrapping gifts, but she made too many videos about stuff that she thrifts.
Tomorrow is Christmas, and yes, it has been very hard doing videos every day, but it's so worth it for you guys. Today we're going to make something super easy. You can get it done in a couple minutes and go ahead and get it under the tree. But before we do, you guys know that I am on the hunt to get 100,000 subscribers. So if you haven't subscribed, definitely subscribe, and please share this video so that everyone knows all the amazing stuff that is happening.
Alright, I'm using the last scraps from this satin cheetah print skirt that we have actually been using all week. So these are the pieces you'll need. 2 satin rectangles that are about 4.5 inches by 9.5 inches. A rectangle of felt that's the same size as that. And then a 2-inch strip. Like I said, I've been using scraps, so I had to cut 3 strips that were about 2 inches wide by 10 inches long. And then you'll need a 12-inch piece of elastic. So first I'm going to cut my felt into the mask shape because then I can use it as a pattern for the satin. So I'll fold it in half twice and then just round the edges. Then I'll unfold it once and put the scissors about 1 inch up from the edge and cut out the space for the nose. And this is how it should look. Now I can use that as a pattern to cut the satin. And I can go ahead and connect my strips to make one long strip and then fold it in half and sew it down the long side. Then you can turn it right side out. Now add a pin to the end of the elastic and push it through the long strip. Once you get it through, pin the elastic to the end of the strip on each side so you won't lose the elastic. Next, we're going to lay both satin layers together and the felt on top. But we need to add the elastic strip inside, so I'll turn it over and put the elastic strip in between the 2 satin layers. Then we'll sew it around the edges, leaving an opening so that we can turn it right side out. And make sure to backstitch over the strips. Then turn it right side out, turn in the opening and sew it closed. And then just keep on going and add a top stitch all along the edges. And that's it, a really cute gift that you can do right at the last minute and get it under the tree.
So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I definitely have one more DIY gift idea for you guys. It's a denim tote. I'm super excited about it. I have that for you on Saturday, and I do post new videos every Saturday at 9 a.m. Central Standard Time. So if you haven't subscribed, definitely subscribe so you don't miss a thing. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!